Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Llama Diamond painting is probably one of the most captivating and rewarding DIY crafts available today, offering a unique blend of relaxation and artistic expression that allows anyone to create stunning, sparkling masterpieces with ease, making it an ideal choice for both seasoned crafters and beginners looking to add a touch of whimsical charm to their homes or gift-giving repertoire. Number 5. Little Jupiter Diamond Art Kits. Introducing the Little Jupiter Diamond Art Kit, a complete set designed to spark creativity in young artists. It's everything they need to create a dazzling masterpiece. This all-in-one kit includes a vibrant wooden frame with a kickstand, a canvas, diamond art supplies, and all the tools needed for application. It's a truly comprehensive diamond art experience for kids. Our kits feature a sticky template, making it simple for kids to paint by number with sparkling diamonds. They can proudly display their finished artwork in any room, just like a little Picasso. Choose from a variety of unique designs, including unicorns, llamas, and more, perfect for boys and girls. They can create beautiful, mosaic-like art to proudly display. This is a fantastic activity for playdates, parties, or even a quiet afternoon indoors. It offers hours of engaging fun and takes about 2 hours to complete, fostering a sense of achievement. Looking for a great gift? These diamond art kits are ideal for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions for children aged 6 and up. It's a wonderful way to encourage focus and creativity. What we like? This kit is perfect for younger artists. It comes with everything needed, including a frame to display the finished artwork. If you are looking for a complete and engaging activity for children, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The Diamond Painting Kit includes everything you need to get started, with clear instructions and all the necessary tools. The finished product is stunning, with vibrant colors and intricate details that really make the design pop. The adhesive on the diamonds is strong, ensuring they stay in place once applied, and the canvas is made of high-quality material. Number 4. Diamond DOTZ Lulu Llama Diamond Painting Kits. Embark on a mesmerizing craft experience. This kit provides everything you need to create sparkling art. Place shimmering gems onto the marked surface. You'll create a radiant design perfect for any collection. Each piece sparkles beautifully, reflecting light to bring out vivid hues and intricate details. Display your breathtaking creation with pride. Designed for adults seeking stress relief and creative fun. This simple yet rewarding activity helps you unwind. Experience gem painting at its finest with high-quality materials. Ensure brilliant results every time you create. What we like? Designed for adults seeking a calming creative outlet. The premium gems create a truly dazzling effect. If you enjoy detailed work and want a beautiful piece to display, this kit offers a high-quality crafting experience. What people say. The Diamond Painting Kit includes everything you need to get started, with clear instructions and all the necessary tools. The finished product is stunning, with vibrant colors and intricate details that really make the design pop. The diamonds are high quality and stick well to the canvas, ensuring a durable and beautiful final piece. Number 3. Diamond DOTZ Cozy Llama Diamond Painting Kit. Discover a mesmerizing craft experience with this diamond art kit. It comes with everything you need to create your own sparkling masterpiece. Place shimmering gems onto the marked surface to create a radiant design. This gem art is perfect for collectors and crafting enthusiasts alike. Each piece sparkles with diamond dots that reflect light beautifully. You'll create a breathtaking result that you can display with pride. Designed for adults seeking stress relief and creative fun. This simple yet rewarding activity helps you unwind and immerse yourself in the world of crafts. Experience gem painting at its finest with high-quality materials. This kit ensures brilliant results every time you create. What we like? This option provides a deeply relaxing and rewarding experience. It's perfect for adults who want to unwind and create something visually stunning. If you appreciate intricate designs and vibrant colors, this kit will deliver a breathtaking result. What people say. The Diamond Painting Kit includes everything you need to get started, with clear instructions and all the necessary tools. The finished product is stunning, with vibrant colors and intricate details that really make the design pop. The adhesive on the diamonds is strong, ensuring they stay in place and don't fall off over time. Number 2. UB 5D Diamond Painting Kits. Add a touch of sparkle to your home with this beautiful 5D diamond painting kit. It's a fashionable and meaningful decoration that you can create yourself. Engage in a popular DIY craft that offers a new lifestyle and enriches your free time. It's a wonderful way to relax, reduce stress, and boost your confidence. Experience the brilliance of full drills with beads that have 26 facets, offering a lustrous, colorful, and unfading finish. This makes the artwork truly sparkle with a three-dimensional effect. Our high-definition printed canvas features clear symbols and strong adhesion, making the creation process straightforward. It ensures the final piece is a clear and vibrant representation of the pattern. Everything you need is in the package: a pre-printed canvas, ample diamond beads, a sticky pen, adhesive, and glue. The canvas measures 16 by 12 inches, with the painting area being 14 by 10 inches. Whether you're an adult or a child, this diamond art kit is designed for everyone. It's a memorable and meaningful project, perfect as a gift or for personal enjoyment. What we like. Experience a truly sparkling and vivid creation with its full drill design and 26 facet gems. The HD printed canvas ensures clarity and ease of use. If you want a diamond painting that is exceptionally sparkly and detailed, this is the one for you. What people say. The diamond painting kit includes a high-definition printed canvas with clear symbols and a sticky adhesive that holds the diamonds firmly. The diamonds are made of resin and come in a variety of vibrant colors, creating a sparkling and realistic finished product. The kit comes with all the necessary tools, including a diamond pen, tray, and wax, making it easy for beginners to get started. Number 1. Peeua 5D Diamond Painting Kits. Introducing a new way to decorate your home. This sparkling and beautiful pattern is perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any room. It's a memorable and meaningful project, whether for yourself or as a gift. Embrace a new lifestyle with this popular DIY craft. It's a wonderful way to enrich your leisure time, help you relax, reduce stress, and boost your confidence. Experience the brilliance of our full drill design. These diamond beads have 26 facets, offering a lustrous, colorful, and unfading finish that makes the artwork truly sparkle with a vivid, three-dimensional effect. Our HD printed canvas features clear symbols and strong adhesion, making this mosaic painting easy to create. Advanced technology ensures the pattern is clear and preserves beautifully over time. Everything you need is in the box. Each kit includes a pre-printed canvas, ample diamond beads, a sticky pen, adhesive, and glue. The canvas measures 16 by 12 inches, with the painting size at 14 by 10 inches. Designed for both adults and kids, this diamond art kit offers a fun and engaging activity. It's a great way to develop patience and improve hands-on skills while creating a beautiful piece of art. What we like. This kit offers a highly sparkly and vivid diamond art experience with its full drill design and clear HD print. It's a meaningful DIY project for home decor or a thoughtful gift. If you're looking for a project that is both beautiful and a joy to complete, consider this option. What people say. The diamond painting kit includes a high-definition printed canvas with clear symbols and a sticky adhesive that holds the diamonds securely. The diamonds are made of high-quality resin, offering a vibrant and sparkling finish that enhances the overall artwork. The kit comes with all the necessary tools, including a diamond pen, tray, and wax, making the crafting process convenient and enjoyable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.